Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. On today's video I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful DIYs. I hope you guys like it. It's very simple to make and inexpensive. So with that said, let's not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. As well, let's hit the little bell that will notify you every time I post. I will be posting every week, so if you don't want to miss any of my videos, let's not forget to hit that little bell to get notified. I hope you guys enjoy. And with that said, let's get started. The first thing I did was grab this popsicle stick, and then I'm just going to go ahead and place it and make my shape that I'm going to make an hexagon. And I'm just going to go ahead and make it. Then I'm going to grab my glue and attach. Another way that you could do this DIY is by drawing it first and then just placing it so it could come out perfectly if you don't want to try it like this. Then I'm just going to go ahead and continue attaching my stick. Then you're going to make another layer all around it. You're going to do like 8 layers of this. For these centerpieces, you could 8 or 10 layers that you do. I think it should be perfectly fine. Just like that. Then I went ahead and grabbed this glitter cardstock paper, and I'm just going to go ahead and trace it out. So the first thing, I'm going to trace the inside. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the outside. Then go ahead and grab a pair of scissors and just cut it out. Cut the inside, the outside out. Just like that. Then after that, just grab your little knife and cut the inside. And this will give you a perfect cut. Just like that. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue and go all around it and place your shape on top. Your cardstock paper on top, just like that. Then I took this extra piece of paper. I'm just gonna go ahead and measure it to make sure how big I would need it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead, trace it, and then cut it out, put some hot glue, and then I'm gonna attach it to the middle. Just like that. I'm just going to continue and go and do this all around it until I do the whole thing. Then once I do the whole thing, I'm going to grab another popsicle stick. I'm going to put some hot glue and I'm going to attach it to the bottom part. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your light and attach it to the bottom part. Just like that. And then grab this piece of paper and measure it to the size that you will need. Place your light and try to put the cord inside on the gap, and then place your cardstock on top. You're going to go ahead and grab your glue and then attach it to it. Then after that, you're going to go ahead and grab a hole punch, and you're going to punch it and then stick out the light just like that. And make sure to put the cord inside. And then just continue gluing them until it attaches. Then you're going to continue doing this, making a hole and putting the light until you do the whole thing. Then after you're done, this is how it's going to look. I took this ring wrap that you can find. I will put the link down below where you can find it. And you're just going to cut it out into one long string. You're going to go ahead and take your hot glue and attach it to the side. Just going to go ahead and attach it to the side. And you're going to continue doing this until you do the whole thing. Then you're going to do the other side as well. Then go ahead and take your hot glue and you're going to go ahead and attach the light to the centerpiece. Make sure to hold it for a little while so they can stay in place. And then you're going to just continue doing this until you do the whole thing. And this is how beautiful it turns out. I'm going to go ahead and grab my mirror and place the centerpiece on top. I'm going to place a few flowers at the bottom part. I'm also going to go ahead and place some flower on top. But before I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and grab this picture frame. And I'm just going to go ahead and take these out. I'm not going to need these parts. I'm just going to need the inside. of the mirror just like that. I'm going to take the string that I used for the centerpiece, and I'm going to do the same thing I did and just attach it to all the sides. And this is how cute it turns out. So then I'm going to grab this glue stick dot, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it on my number. This could be your number table. And I'm just going to place it on top. I'm going to take another string and I'm going to hot glue it to the top, and just for the two to cover it so it won't show. Just like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab it and place it on top. I'm going to attach it with hot glue. I'm just going to put a little bit more hot glue and cut it out. And this is how beautiful it turns out. This will look great on your decorations. For the next DIY, I grabbed these clear plates and the shape. I'm just going to go ahead and spray them in gold. Just like that. Then after the clear plate, this is how it turns out. I'm just going to grab my hexagon and put it on top. I'm just going to put some hot glue at the bottom and then attach it to the plate. Then go ahead and grab your number and put it in between the gap in the middle, just like that. Then grab your flowers and your little branches and just put some hot glue and attach it to the top. A few more branches on the other side and another flowers. And this is how beautiful it turns out. For the next DIY, you have to make sure that you use a better glue than hot glue. For the bottom part especially, you could use maybe E6000s or a wood glue to hold it in place. So then I'm just going to go ahead and grab my hexagon and I'm just going to place it one on top of each other and continue gluing them. Just like that. Put some hot glue on top, stick it on top, and just hold it in place for a little while until they attach. Then go ahead and just write down with this chalk marker and write table and the table number on top and their name, and it will just turn out just like that. If you wanted to, my handwriting is not that perfect, but if you want it to look better, just print it out and use the font that you would like, and then just trace it with this marker, or just have somebody else that have nice handwriting and write it out for you. And then just go ahead and continue placing the sign, and then just put a few flowers on top. And this is how stunning it looks. This will look perfect on any party decorations. I hope you guys like it, and thanks for watching.